Welcome back, my amazing and wonderful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Grandma Esohe's cooking channel. I hope you will like the next cooking video you are going to view now. Enjoy and always practice one or two of them. And please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you. Enjoy. Hello viewers, welcome to our next video. This is Akara contains beans. This is powdered beans mixed in water. So we have left it for an hour, and then we're using a handheld mixer to bring in air into the beans to make it fluffy, and that is what is being done here. Then we add salt. About a teaspoon of salt is the whole packet of the powdered beans, about 2 pounds that is in there. And then we add our bouillon, Maggi cubes too, into it. Then we also add chopped onions and chopped habanero. We'll continue to mix it with the handheld mixer. Continue to mix it. We want it to be very light, for the consistency to be light. Akara Akara is made of from beans, powdered beans, so it's a second-class protein, good for the diabetics or pre-diabetic, without any other thing, just eating it alone like that. And what is done is after mixing, then you fry it in deep oil. So deep frying in oil. Next, we pour the oil in the pan that we are going to use in frying it. It's pour enough oil that we're going to use to fry the akara. We leave it a little bit to heat up, put it in medium heat, and then we scoop it with a deep spoon inside the hot oil. It's very yummy. It's called Akara. Akara. Very simple to make from the powdered beans. You can also do it from the raw beans. You wash it, remove the skin from the beans. You soak the beans first, and maybe for about an hour, remove the skin, wash. It's a lot of work, and you put it in a blender and blend it. But the one we are doing here, it's already blended dry. All we need to do is just to put it in water to have good consistency, thick consistency, not too thick as you saw it, and then you use the handheld blender to put in some air in there. Those days our parents, they use hand to turn it round and round to make it fluffy. But with the handheld blender mixer, it's very easy. So use that to blend it, to mix it up. So please subscribe If you have not yet done so, like and comment if you have any comment, and also try it at home. You can eat it with bread. Can eat. Some people in the hot season, they use gari to drink it. They soak gari with it. And you can just eat it all by itself. You don't have to eat it with something else. You see it's now brownish, and you keep turning brown, back and front. You turn when it's, and then I think you leave it for about for both sides about 5 minutes on both sides each. Yeah, about 5 minutes on both sides, making 10 minutes, and it is and then you press it down. I love to press it down so that it becomes crunchy. I like the crunchy one, so you use the spoon to press it as it's been done here. Yes, and then it swells back up again, but it dries it a little bit more and makes the akara crunchy. And that is it. That is akara. Once it's brown enough, you take it off the fire. And that is akara, guys. So try it at home. It's a weekend type of thing, not during the weekdays. It's a Saturday, Sunday type of menu, because you go to work in the morning, so you're not going to have time to do this. But when there is no work, Saturday is a Saturday menu. You can use akamu to also drink it. That is a corn, blended corn, dry corn. You mix it, or blended corn that has been sieved. Mix it in water and make it. So you can use it with gari. You can use it with akamu. See how nice it is. It's yummy. If you're in the kitchen right now, the aroma, it's so nice. See, and it's fluffy inside. Yeah, that is akara. Very nice. All right, bye guys.